Okay, so let's start with the sample scene with the video player. So yeah, we can create a basic plane. 0, 0, 0. And something like this. Uh, 9. So this is basically a screen 16 by 9. We can call it PV. The idea is that we need to add first of all the action sequence to the scene, and then we can add the starting point. And then we actually have a couple of possibilities for this. So the main idea is to create a video player inside this scene with the action sequence with play, pause, and stop stop buttons basically. We can jump. Let's first of all let's load the the video. We can add the video player to the game object and link the video clip from video clip. Actually, we edited a little bit the sample. Okay, let's see with the sample. Let me add basic material. White. Let me explain with the sample scene. Again. Okay, so okay, so this part is for the download of a video, and yeah, okay. I didn't recall the whole situation here. So this part over here, this part is not mandatory for the creation of a video player. But let me explain what is going on here. So basically, we don't have a video in the application for this particular scene, and so the TV that we have here, doesn't have a video connected, but the source is a URL, and the URL is empty for the beginning, for the start. So basically the application will start and download a file that is an MP4 basically, and this node over here will download and save the file on the computer, on the device, and cache the file with a special name. So the first time we start the application will start a download. And it will change the URL of this player here. And the second time we start the application, this node over here will check if we have already a cached file for this file, and so it stops the download. Basically, it takes the cache from the device and sets the actual file from the cache. Let me try to play. Okay, so basically on start it will start the download. The progress will change the loader over here, this one, like this. Okay, we'll change this one, and when the download is complete, it will set the URL of the cache file here. This is the cached file on my computer. And after that, you have all the controls available for the video player. This is one possibility. The second possibility is to directly include the video player, the video, inside the application. So let me do this. Let me do this. We have the television over here. We can change the material to TV material, and then we need to connect the video clip inside the Unity scene, the Unity project. So we need to get file. This is the file. I can save the file here, the desktop, and then I can add it to the project. And now we can set this one. Okay. Now this is another scene. Huh? So first of all, let's play the video with a basic trigger, and we can use the on start scene trigger, and we can action play pause video player and select the player. Okay, so now this video player is not set to play on awake, so it will not start the on awake. But with this trigger, actually let me delete everything and start the application now from scratch without adding any interaction. Okay, so this is the application. The video is not playing. Now let me add the first trigger on start scene, and the first action is play pause video player. Set the color here and the actual target here. Okay, now if I hit play, the trigger will trigger the play of the video. Let me copy component. I added a parent object to the TV, so I can scale freely without the 60:9 aspect ratio. Now let's create a play button. We delete the first trigger, and now we need basically a play button. Here we have a couple of possibilities. The first one is to create a trigger on handle click. Select one of these with us one of these handle and add the handle. Now we can change from this 360 handle to this one, the play handle, and then we can rotate and scale the handle. Okay. Okay. This 333. Need to check again all the prefabs. Play. So we have created this trigger on handle click, and then we can add this one. So what I expect is that if I hit play, the video doesn't start, but if I click on the play button, the video player will start. Inside the video local URL has to be nothing. For this case, Yes, it must be empty. At least because if you have a 5 MB video, you can put it inside your project without problems. Yeah. Anyway, if you want to manage the download of the file, you can use this one, the action sequence that you can find over here. So on start, you start the download, and then you have a local cache. This works also on mobile, on Android, iOS, yeah, everywhere. Okay, let's add the other control. Okay, okay. Let me add also another control so we can we have everything. Okay. So another control we can add is the pause button. Again, we need an handle as a trigger. We can choose one of these. Select the handle over here and change the handle to this one, and copy components from here to here, and 0 0 0. Okay, so we have this trigger. Again, action, play pause video. We can change the state, and then select the again and play and pause, play and pause. Okay, so now we have the full workflow here.